everybody from YouTube. I am making another YouTube video. This one's gonna be a little interesting. I am going to be making everybody laugh, and hopefully it works. So let me put this has to do on Zello, the same walkie-talkie app I did with the other one. But the next thing is also, this is with my new boyfriend. I dumped my fiance. So here we go. Oh shit. I guess I should have not drank that coffee before I went to bed. Or had that Hot Pocket for lunch either. Oh shit. It's a little dead tonight. Not very many people are on. So it's hard to tell if they're gonna key up in the channel or not tonight while I'm remaking this video. Oh shit! I think a little came out of that one.